Hi guys, it's Saturday night, and guys and girls, let me correct myself, guys and girls. It's Saturday night and I'm looking rough. I was just looking at myself in the mirror and I was like, I got a ponytail. I can't tell you the last time I've had a ponytail. I've been working on my house all day and it's time to do nighttime skincare because I'm ready to just lay in my bed and veg out and watch some TV. So I haven't shared my nighttime skincare routine with you guys in a long time, so we're going to go ahead and do that. You guys know I've been telling you whenever you get the vitamin C serum or the priming lotion or the eye brightening cream, you get the scrub for free. So this is one of my favorite scrubs. And I haven't used it in a while. Maybe like once or twice a week I do. But it's orange, and as soon as you touch it with water, it warms up. And then it will exfoliate that skin. I've been cleaning. I just felt like I had dust and all that stuff in my skin. So I was like, let's get it out. So I could go even a little bit thicker if I wanted to. But this is a great scrub for getting the dead skin off, getting the dirt and pollen out of your skin. It's got these little beads. I don't know if you can see the little beads on my hands. And that's what you use. Make sure whenever you do a scrub though, stay away from that eye area because that is your most delicate skin. Hi Sandra, how are you? And you do not want to get that skin with that scrub with those little beads because it will hurt and it can tear and rip that skin. So I'm going to take a hot bath when I get done, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my skincare and then hop in the bathtub. And you know, there's nothing better than a free mask. So I've changed my nighttime regimen up just a little bit. So I've got that on. I'm gonna go now in with my washcloth and I'm just taking that off. Hi Amanda, are y'all coming to church tomorrow? Are you ready to come out? Okay, so got it off for the most part. Yay! Feels so much better. I can just tell the difference in the dead skin off of my face. Okay, so about 2 or 3 times a week is all you want to use a scrub that's that abrasive because you just don't want to tear your skin up. Okay, so my secret in a bottle, my Cica Peptite emulsion. So whenever you're doing skincare, of course, you always want to cleanse first. Then you want to go with your lightest or your serums first because, can you see it? Because we're going to layer. So I'm just going to put a little bit here on my hands. And I'm just going to pat it into my skin. So about this Cica Peptite emulsion. So Cica is a grass. How many of you have ever heard of Cica grass? And the tigers and lions would go and lay down in the Cica grass to heal their wounds. And so our scientists took that technology and they put it in our Cica Peptide. And so it will heal like damaged skin, acne, scars, things like that. But my favorite part is it firms and tightens your skin. So you wake up in the morning and you feel like you've had this facelift in a little bottle. So hello, who doesn't want a facelift in a bottle? So that is my first layer. And then I'm gonna go in with my Anew Clinical Line Eraser with Retinol. Retinol is great for fine lines and wrinkles. It's also good if you have larger pores that you're trying to minimize. So I'm just going to, again, while I'm applying all of this, I'm not doing anything in that eye area. Just doing it going up because we want gravity to pull our face up instead of down. Okay, so we got layer number 2 on. You just want to give it a couple of seconds, let it dry good, and then this is my other secret weapon. So I've noticed lately, I don't know if it's stress, I don't know if it's just not drinking enough water to keep myself moisturized, but I've noticed a lot more wrinkles and crepiness like here and in this area. So I pulled out the big guns. Our Ultimate Supreme Creme, Advanced Performance Creme. This stuff is like fast acting. It is going to get in and hit those fine lines, hit those wrinkles, and help you to feel better. I don't know if you guys, I don't really worry about wrinkles that much. I don't know why I can't open this. Chad, I dropped it and Chad shut it for me, and he must have really gotten it good. Hold on. Oh, and my hands have cream on them, so that probably doesn't help. Okay. Can't believe I can't get this open. There we go. Okay. I don't normally close it all the way. So it comes with a little, there we go. It has a lot of cream on that. I just opened this, so I'm like, okay, it's time for the big guns. I need extra wrinkle fighting power. So this is your extra wrinkle fighting power. So I'm just gonna dab that in. Are you noticing wrinkles? I think a lot of it has to do with hydration. I probably overdid that. I'm just gonna tell you. That's okay. We're gonna be in a bathtub, so we're gonna let it soak good. Oh, it feels very luxurious. It has black pearls in it, some essential oils. It has all kinds of good stuff in there for your face. Feels amazing. So that was my third layer, if you're counting layers. I ordered a hydro mat today, so I know daily water intake. It's a gallon of water, and it shows you how much you should drink every hour. I need one of those, Amanda. Send me the link. Okay, my final step is my Anew Eye Lift Pro. So somebody commented the other day that they were noticing that my eyes used to be really dark, and they're not as dark anymore. This is why. So it has 2 steps. You're going to take the gel, which is the first step. Just takes a little bit and put it on the top part of your eyes. If you're noticing that your eyes are discolored or they're drooping, the top part of your eyelid is drooping, which happens for some ladies with age, then this gel part is going to help. Just really lightly rubbing it in. And then the cream is what you're going to put in that under eye area to help with dark circles, with bags, with wrinkles. This stuff is my go-to eye cream at night. And it has a little cooling agent in it, so when it goes on, it feels so good on your skin. And even the inside has a separator, so it keeps the two separated. So then we are ready to fight wrinkles and go to bed with a clean face. If you didn't know this, ladies, if you are not doing your nighttime skincare regimen, let me tell you, when you go to sleep at night, if you have not there's some Texas language. If you haven't washed off your face and gotten all the makeup off, then you are going to bed and your face is regenerating new cells at night. And then when you go to bed the next night, if you didn't change your pillowcase, you're laying in those dead skin cells again. Ugh. So whenever you add some active ingredients like a good nighttime regimen, then as your skin is sloughing off, it is regenerating with that power that you put with the nighttime skincare. So probably one of the most important steps in your skincare is nighttime. So don't skip it. Thank you guys for doing my nighttime regimen with me. I'll recap for you real quick. I used my Cica Peptide, I started with my vitamin C mask and did a little exfoliating. Then my Cica Peptide Serum for that facelift. Needed that. My Anew Clinical Line Eraser to help with fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores. Then we went in for our night cream with the Anew Ultimate, the Supreme, the Creme de la Creme Supreme to really help fight those wrinkles, and then the Eye Lift Pro. So all of these will work well together. I'm going to wake up tomorrow and I'm going to look 12 years old again. So stay tuned for that 12-year-old me tomorrow. Thanks for doing nighttime skincare with me. Wash your face. If you do nothing else, wash your face and put a good moisturizer on. Let me know if you need some help finding the regimen that works for you. I'd love to help you. And share this video. Somebody else needs to hear that they need to wash their face. See you guys later. Bye.